it in the walls, put it into the floor. You can't kill this thing.
Hey, this is Poncho Sanchez here, and I use Audix microphones for microphones on Paki, para, ahí. Everybody calls me cute. Oh my God, this is the perfect drum mic. I mean, out of the box flat EQ, it sounds amazing. So when you got a great tech or a great sound house guy, it even becomes even that much more. But right out of the box for a novice like me, when it comes to mixing, this thing makes me sound like I know what I'm doing.
Let's hear for Audix microphones. They're making it happen. That's what you're hearing it from right now.